everyone. So today we're going to blow dry my daughter's hair, and as you guys know, we use the Revair. It's a very handy tool. In the description area and also pinned in the comment area, I have my affiliate link and also discount code for you guys so that you can save money. And by using my affiliate link, you do help me in getting a little bit of commission, so thank you so much for that. Okay, let's get started. Before using the Revair, my daughter's hair has been shampooed and we've deep conditioned it, and I just tied this swirly curly hair turban on her hair just to remove the moisture, and it does a good job removing the moisture and not over drying her hair. So the next thing that I want to do is I'm going to prep our hair for the heat, and the Revair comes with a manual. I advise you to thoroughly read through the manual before using this equipment so that you don't damage it. So it also comes with this hair primer, and I'm using the hair primer designed for hair type 3 and 4. It's called the Play It Straight, and it looks almost like a shea butter, but it's not. So I'm just gonna take some of that and I'm just gonna take it and put it throughout the length of her hair to protect her hair from any damage at all. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my heat protectant on our hair. So the heat protectant I use is from Tresemme. This is the heat protection. It works up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Is a heat tamer, and after applying it on our hair, I make sure to really squeeze it into our hair so that it penetrates deeply in there. And one last thing that I do is, even after I've applied it through the length of our hair, I always take our hair and make sure I put it to the ends of the hair. So I take the heat protectant and I just take it and I just spray it to the ends of the hair, because the ends of the hair are the oldest and they're the ones that get damaged the most. So the last thing that we do before we blow out our hair is to use the Bright Spot Hair Shine by Revair, and this gives the hair this kind of shine after you've applied the Revair tool on it. Now you don't want to put too much products, especially when you're doing at the hair. When you are blow drying with Revair, don't use oils and don't use too much styling products, and make sure you detangle the hair thoroughly before you insert the hair into the wand. When using the Revair and you set it to like level 1, you should use low. So low is this setting right over here, but which is like no heat. No heat is 0 right over here. But if you want to use higher heat, so any heat above 2, you want to use this top area for high heat. So I'm going to set the Revair to, I'm going to start off with a 4, and then I'm going to put it as high heat at a 4, and we're going to turn it on, and that is what it sounds like. This is 4, and with 4 it gives our hair that blown out effect. It's not super straight, but it gives it a stretch, and this is the stretch that I want. This is the length of her hair, and compared to this, you can see how much stretch she gets.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
finished blow drying our hair, and I took it out of the twist and stuff. So this is what it looks like before I brush it out. You can see it right over there. So that's like a lot of it. I've not brushed it or done anything with it. So I'm going to use my Tangle Taser styling brush. This is the styling brush that it has nylon and brush. Anyway, that's not what you guys care about. So let me just pat her hair in the middle. So I'm going to just do a middle part right here, clean. And this blow dry is good, especially when you have kids with tender hair. Did it hurt you?
No.
Yeah, she couldn't even feel it or anything. So I'm gonna use the brush and just, you see how it just goes through. We're gonna trim our hair, not this time. We're gonna trim our hair probably in next month or so. So we'll probably repeat this action and trim our hair. But you see how it's so nice, and our hair has really nice shine. Let me do a close up for you guys. You can see the shine, such an amazing shine with it. No split ends, nothing. Everything looks so nice, so nice. So you guys can see it, and I'm gonna turn out to the back. At the back, we're just gonna go to the back and just brush our hair at the back. Yeah, brush the ends real good. So this is just a blown out look. If I went higher in the heat, it will give our hair a bone straight look, as if I just straighten with a straighten comb. But I wanted a more blown out look because that's all I needed for the style for our hair. So yeah, so this is the way our hair looks. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Let me just give it a brush a little bit. Yeah, it's so easy to walk everything through. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.